What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link for that Discord is in the description below, or it's up on the screen. And if you have the time and if this video helps you out, there's a thank you button where you can leave a tip for me. Yeah, so today we're gonna learn how to play She Was the Best. This is by The Green, and it was requested by, and I'm gonna call this the monkey face because I don't know what this is. Put it up on the screen so maybe you guys know what it is, but this was requested by this person. So grab your ukulele and let's go jam. Hey, before I forget, here's your discount code to use in the merch store where you can get your tank tops, your shirts, your sweaters for cold season, or even your Teach Me Tuesday notebooks. So yeah, feel free to use this. Okay, let's continue with the video. Okay, so the first chord we're gonna play is A flat. We're going to bar this 3rd fret right here, cover the top string on the 5th fret and the 2nd string on the 4th fret. We're going to play D flat, which is covering the bottom 2 strings here on the 4th fret, cover the 3rd string on the 5th fret, top string 6th fret. Okay, B flat minor, we're going to come all the way back here to the 1st fret, we're going to bar it, and then we're going to cover the top string on the 3rd fret. We're also going to play E flat, which is covering the top 3 strings here on the 3rd fret and the bottom string on the 1st fret. And we're also going to play F minor, which is covering the bottom string here, 3rd fret, what you call it, 2nd string, 4th fret, top 2 strings on the 5th fret. Okay, let's go over the structure for this one. So we're gonna start with an intro, and then we got the chorus, verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, and then the outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed, and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Okay, so for this song, the intro, chorus, and the verses are all played the same. So it's gonna sound like this, okay? A flat, D flat, B flat minor, and then E flat. Okay, so that's how you play the chorus and the verses. So there's going to be a pre-chorus, which is going to be D flat and E flat, so it's going to sound like this. No, she never leaves me alone. Okay, and then the second pre-chorus is going to be a little different. It's going to start with F minor. So this is how you play the second pre-chorus. She don't waste my time. Then D flat, E flat, D flat again, and then E flat again. Okay, so now that we know how to play all those parts of the song, let's put it all together and play together. Ready? Let's go. Intro. We're gonna says baby, baby. Oh shit, wrong chord. There we go. My bad. Okay, we're gonna go into the chorus where she was the best. She was the best cause she always came running to me. Oops, my bad. Chord. Verse 1. Never alone, she leaves me. Okay, we're going to the first pre-chorus. D flat, E flat, okay, chorus, verse 2, sorry. Okay, second pre-chorus, F sharp, F minor, sorry. D flat. Okay, chorus. Okay, outro. She was the best. Thank you guys for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. And if this video helps you out, leave a tip with the thank you button below. Also in the description is the link to the Discord as well as merch. And you can use the discount code for a discount. Because it's shopping time? Because it's shopping season? I don't know. I'll see you guys next week. Kidding.